welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel. I don't know what you're doing, but hi, my name is Kenzie May, and I love to do my makeup. Addicted is not a light term to use here at all. For today's look, I am going to be taking another hack at my TikTok requested list. I'm going to be using this one here. This one's kind of funny to me, specifically because it's asking for a little bit of gold. But we're gonna do black, red, and a little bit of gold. So we're gonna be doing that. Now, you've already seen the thumbnail, so you know what this look is gonna look like. I have a pretty good idea, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So if you're curious as to how I created that, then keep on watching. Now, as per usual, I have my base already done, so foundation, contour, eyebrows, and prime the eyes. So essentially we're creating a red, well, I'm gonna be doing more of a maroon-esque red, smoky eye with like a little tinge of gold on there. So to start, I'm going to be using the Morphe x Coca-Cola Cherry Coke palette, and I'm going to be using this light pink shade here just all over in the crease. Now that pink is laid down, I am now going to be dipping into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I'm going to be using this red shade here called Man Eater. And we're just going to apply that in the outer corner. Next, to smoke out that outer corner just a little more, I'm going to dip back into the Morphe x Coca-Cola Cherry Coke palette, you know, that thing. And I'm going to dip into this deep wine shade here, and we're just going to apply that in the outer corner. Now that's applied, I'm going to dip back into the Huda Beauty Remastered palette. With a fresh blending brush, I'm going to take, again, Man Eater, and just blend out that shade that we just laid down. And finally, to really send home the smoky eye, we're going to dip into this black shade here called Black Truffle. We're just going to put that in the outer corner and really smoke it out. For the gold, I'm going to be using this gold here in the Huda Beauty palette called 24K. New packing brush, and we're just going to lay that all down. And now I'm just going to take that fluffy brush that we were using in Man Eater and just blend out that gold. Now for the typical cat wing liner, we're going to be using the Bite Beauty eyeliner. We're just going to be applying a typical cat wing. Is all complete. I'm gonna hop off camera and do my base. We'll be back to finish out the bottom part of the eyeliner. Now that our base is complete, to finish out the bottom part of the eye, I'm going to be taking my LA Colors eye pencil in black, and we're just gonna go ham on the waterline. And because we want this to be extra smoky, I'm going to dip again back into the Huda Beauty palette. And just into this black down here, Black Truffle, we're going to take a pencil brush and just smoke out the lower lash line. because I want to translate some of this red down to the lower lash line, I'm going to dip into Man Eater, which is this red shade here, and just take a clean fluffy brush and very lightly dip into Man Eater and just apply that under the eye. I'm feeling like doing an extra dark lip today, so we're going to be using the MAC lip pencil in the shade Current and the Koko collection from Kylie Cosmetics in Gorg liquid lipstick. We're just gonna zip right on through it. Hop off camera and do my lashes, and we will be back to do an outro. And we're done. Well, what do you think? I think it's very fall vibes. I like it. If you did watch this whole video to the end, please give it a thumbs up. I would absolutely love to see how many of you guys make it. At least I'd like to think you guys liking the video is communicating that you made it. Congrats! If you did follow along with this tutorial and you did try it out, I would absolutely love to see it, and if you are planning on posting it somewhere, please tag me. I am on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and YouTube, all at lil_bb511. That's LIL_BBY511. And if you have not already, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. I am here for you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you're curious, over on TikTok, I post Monday through Friday, and I repost them here on YouTube, so yeah. But I hope you guys have a great day, night, week, rest of your week. I don't know when you're watching this, but have a great time doing it, unless it's something terrible. I'm sorry. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!